smile. It makes people wonder what you're up to. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah. Hi there, Madam Mary here, casting my vision into the future of your next builder's risk application. I have these special fortune cookies straight from the Accuracy Application Factory. That's what I call our underwriting department. These are designed to help you avoid application missteps that could cost you time. Now, let's get to it. A complete application lights the path ahead. Leave no detail blank or shadows may follow. Ooh, I've heard a lot about this one. Make sure to confirm the property address. Don't make it up or type in TBD. If a claim occurs, a policy reformation may be needed to ensure the policy accurately reflects the project. And that can add extra time to the claim process, and that means longer wait for your clients to get paid. And make sure the billing address is also correct. When the builder's past is proven, the future glows bright. This is a big one in the age of DIY. The Builder's Risk Plan insured by Zurich requires the contractor to have either 2 or 3 years of experience depending on the project value and loss history over the past 3 years. If you don't vet the builder first, how do you even know if they qualify for the policy? It pays to do your due diligence. List with wisdom, describe with care, and fortune holds firm. When your client has multiple structures they need to insure at the same project site, list the highest value of the single structure under any one structure and the total of all projects under all covered property. Let's take this one step further. For multiple structures, make sure you provide an occupancy description of other buildings. For example, list it as a 4-unit apartment rather than just a building or structures. Clear cost today saves chaos tomorrow. When you submit your builder's risk application, attach the cost breakdown and make sure you're using the correct construction completion date, not just the policy expiration date. This detail will be especially important if the policy includes soft cost or business income coverage. The deductibles for these coverages rely on the completion date, so you'll want to have the correct anticipated completion date listed. And if that policy renews, update the anticipated completion date again, as it could have changed from the prior term. You know the saying, a stitch in time saves 9. Whew. That's enough looking into the future to make your head spin. Go forth and submit those applications with confidence. May all your fortunes be accurate and all your TBDs be gone forever. Till next time.